In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to build a comprehensive and professional discovery call script step by step. I'm starting here on the ChatGPT homepage, and I've already prepared my prompts in a separate text document to make sure the AI has all the context it needs. I open up my notes and copy the first prompt, where I define my role as Josh, a freelance content strategist. I want the AI to understand my specific business and the helpful, conversational tone I want to maintain. I paste that into the message bar and hit enter. ChatGPT responds immediately, setting the foundation for our project. It outlines the role, the desired tone, and the specific goals of the discovery call, such as making the prospect feel comfortable and identifying their challenges. I take a moment to scroll through this framework to ensure it aligns with my vision of a natural conversation rather than a stiff sales pitch. Now, I'm ready to generate the actual script content. I go back to my notes and copy the prompt for the opening section. This needs to cover the first few minutes of the call, including a warm welcome and a quick agenda. I paste it into the chat and watch as it generates a friendly greeting and a way to set expectations for the prospect. I'm scrolling through to make sure the transition into the conversation feels smooth. Next, I need to build out the discovery and qualification phase. I head back to my notepad and copy the prompt asking for 5 or 6 open-ended questions. These questions are crucial for understanding a client's current marketing situation and their biggest pain points. I paste the prompt into ChatGPT and it provides a list of thoughtful questions about content roles and current frustrations. I'm reviewing these to ensure they sound like genuine dialogue. Moving forward, I want a section for presenting my solution. I copy the next prompt from my notes, which asks the AI to explain how my services directly address the problems we just uncovered. I paste it in, and ChatGPT breaks it down into clear pillars like messaging, strategy, and turning content into opportunities. I scroll through to see how it positions these benefits as business assets. Finally, I need to wrap up the call effectively. I copy the final prompt for the closing section, which includes how to handle common objections like budget concerns or the client needing time to think. I paste it into the bar and the AI generates a professional sign-off and a clear path to the next steps. Now, I have a complete, customized script ready for my next discovery call. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.